Ugh.
Oh, come on.
Oh my gosh, I need to tame my hair. What are you doing?
I locked myself out.
You can't get back in your house?
No. I left the key inside.
Oh, I've got a spare one.
Oh, thanks.
No problem.
Oh, man. Did she fall in the water? Marigold? You okay, Marigold?
Yeah, I'm fine.
I'll go get you a towel.
Okay. Can you show me a tour around this house? Because I'm new to this house.
Where is this gosh darn towel? Marigold, I got your towel.
Okay. Whoa, whoop!
Really, again?
Yeah, sorry.
Here's your towel.
Ah, thanks.
Come up here to the kitchen.
What's this secret thing down here?
Don't. That's where you're going before. Come on.
Why can't I see it?
I said no.
Okay, jeez.
I'm gonna save that secret thing for the last part. Anyways, this is the kitchen / resting area.
Ooh, I like this kitchen. Where'd you go?
I'm up here.
Oh.
Telling you to be upstairs. So if you come up here, over here's the bathroom.
Remember when Anthony, pooped your bathroom?
Anyways, this is my bedroom.
I like it.
And if you come up here,
Where's your mom and Sophia's bedroom?
they sleep right here.
Who sleeps on the bottom bunk?
My mom and Sophia sleeps at the top.
It's safe. The top. I can't even speak. But the top bunk is where she sleeps.
Yeah. Sophia's at school right now, and my mom's at work.
Yeah, Anthony's also at school.
And now for the best part of the tour, the downstairs area.
Is this another kitchen?
No, it's my lab.
Oh.
And if you come over here, is the room.
Wait, what in the world? Where'd you go?
Right behind you. And if you come over here, this is the garage.
Ooh.
And that's the tour.
Alright, do you want to go and get some stuff? You want to go out and get some groceries?
I found the water.
Oh my goodness, now you're falling in the water. Do you want to go out and get some stuff?
I got the shovel. Hey, come here. Come here. I got a shovel. Bonk.
Ow! What in the world? Do you want to go out and get some ice cream? Let's go get our skateboards.
Mine's down here.
Alright. I keep mine the same place.
Let's go. Some girls.
What?
Yes, some girls. Let's go. I'm gonna be you're going the wrong way. We're both going the wrong way.
LOL. I'm heading towards the airport. Oh, I found a way.
I'll meet you at the ice cream store.
If you get there. Well, we'll see. Like, hopefully we'll be able to get there at the same time. So, I see the ice cream store.
I see you.
Wait, where? I Okay, I'll do the same. We gotta get out of here. Don't. Where did you go?
Right in front of you. Oh no, the police.
Wait, where are you taking me? Oh! Oh!
Go away, police. You okay? Back up. Back up. Go away. You okay?
Ugh.
Wake up.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Grab a gun, the police.
Why are you shooting the police?
They're gonna arrest us. Use the gun. Use the shotgun. Shoot the police.
Okay, I think we should go home.